No! I knew it. I fucking knew it. I knew it was gonna happen. Oh my god. Yes! Finally! Finally! Yes! Oh, yes! Bro, the football's been eating away at me, man. Oh, bro. So many things, man. It's this beginning. This beginning is so bad, man. It's so bad. This timing here, oh my word, bro. There's a 80% chance you die to the stupid timing because of how tight it is. And then there's a 15% chance that even if you pass it, you get clipped on this stupid hitbox here and then jump into the spike. Bro. And then these, oh my word, these orbs, bro. This is such a stupid timing too, because it looks like it's actually wider than it is. If you jump anywhere past this middle point here, you will land. As soon as you start falling, you'll hit the yellow portal and you just can't do anything. You're just done. You're dead. And then even if you do make it, you have to time the pink orbs or the purple orbs, and you can still die. And then lastly, oh my word, this part here, bro. This part here is horrible. I've died here so many times because of how tight this timing is, bro. I can't. So I got really unlucky with this level. Not only is the beginning really bad, but I had 22 dual deaths. Which is not 22 dual deaths, 20 dual deaths, and then 2 deaths past the duel, which is 83 and 87. So I don't even know why. I don't know what the problem was. I'm gonna stop him right there. The real reason I think it was is because I couldn't really see the mini wave in the duel. So now in the last, now when I just beat it now, I actually used the separate duel icons and I made the mini wave a fat wave, and I also changed the color to pink, which is a lot easier for me to see. So, and the first time I got to the duel using the strat, I beat it. So I think that was mainly the main reason. I had 63 to 100. 69 times, 52 to 100 13 times, I had 40 to 100 18 times, and then 25 to 100 15 times. So it's not like I wasn't practicing the beginning and the end. It was just really, I don't know what happened. So yeah, this took me 14 days, and in the first 4 days I was progressing really fast. First day I got 63 to 100, second day I got 40 to 100, third day I got 25 to 100, and then day 5 I got 44%. and I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna beat this soon. Then the next progress only came on the Saturday, so a week later when I started, and I got 66 and 68. Only 2 drop attempts I got, and then nothing for the rest of the day. And that was the process. I would get on, I'd play for 2 hours, I'd get 1 or 2 drop attempts, and I just didn't get nothing for the rest of the day. And usually those drop attempts would be dual deaths, and so it was really frustrating for me. And it was especially frustrating because I wanted to enjoy this level. This was a really good level. The Deco for 2.0, this is insane. Like, the tornado effect is insane. The gameplay from 25 to 100 is super fun. It's super fun. I'd give it 100 out of 100, but the first 25% just completely ruins the level for me. I'd give it, the max I can give it is 55 out of 100. So, and for the song is amazing as well, because Krmal only makes bangers. So I don't know why this was such a bad experience for me, and I don't know what to rate it, because this is a good level. When I think about the time playing, I was doing runs, I enjoyed myself, but playing from zero, I never had a good time playing from zero after day 5 or 6. So whatever I rate it, I'll put it in the description, so I'll think a bit more about it before I upload. But yeah, this level is not a good time for me.